Yes, I think it's so important that people see the process, and that's why I spent a whole episode, the first episode, to really bring you into the rooms, because you'll hear again and again from the side that opposes the truth of what actually happened. Well, how could you sign something if you didn't do it? Why would you say something if it wasn't true? I think what it's really important to explore and to understand is the power dynamics that happen in a room when you are, poor, black, young, or brown, and you are in a room with a white authority figure who is a police officer who's telling you, do these things and I will help you, do these things and it'll be okay. So it's really not, a difficult math to understand how 1 + 1 equals, these boys basically signing their lives away. And so, the time taken to explore what each boy went through so that they're not just a monolith. They're not a big group called the Central Park Five and you don't know who they are, why they did what they did. Our goal was to bring you into the rooms to recapture these boys' humanity and that of their families. We know that when you incarcerate one person, you incarcerate their family, you incarcerate their community, and very much so, we're incarcerating whole generations of people. And so that detail became really important for me and all the artists involved.
As we continue with our interview with Ava DuVernay, the creator, co-writer, director of the new 4-part Netflix series on the Central Park jogger case, I asked Ava why she chose the title When They See Us.
It was very much around the idea of presenting the humanity of people. They are not the Central Park Five. I came to feel that was a political moniker. It was something that was given to them by the press. It was something that was given to them by the prosecution. It was something that allowed them to be seen as a gang, as a wolf pack, and not as Yusuf, Corey, Kevin, Antron, and Raymond. Real people, real boys with real families, memories, hopes, dreams that were dashed the day that they were captured out of the park.
Who didn't even all know each